In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add weather to the lock screen on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, just swipe down from the top of the screen to head over to the notification center that looks like the lock screen. And then first off, you need to long press somewhere at an empty space, and that will activate that mode, where down below we need to tap at this button. And once you've done that, just select lock screen here. After that, you will be taken to the lock screen editor, and right here at this widgets area we can add some widget. To do that, just tap right here. And after that, just scroll down until you find weather here. Then we can choose one or several widgets. Here we got a bunch of different widgets here. Now I'm just gonna pick that one. We can just tap at a widget we would like to add, and it will be immediately displayed here at this area. And then we can also add another widget here in the same way. And basically, guys, once it is done, just close it, and to apply the changes, hit right here at done. Basically, guys, that's how it looks like now. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.